guys, it's Elise and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial inspired by the Bounce Back single art. It's very pink, very purple, very fun, very drag inspired, let's be real. And if you're unaware, Bounce Back is coming out on Jessie's birthday, June 14th. And that's this Friday, so get excited! Yeah! So if you want to find out how I created this eye look, then just keep on watching the video. Thanks guys! So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and I have primed my eyelids. They are creasing a little bit because I've had this on for quite a while, but this is the P. Louise makeup base. I swear by this stuff, it's amazing. Now that we look crazy, we're gonna jump in. So before I do anything, I'm just gonna tap over this creasing that's happening. We're gonna go in with our eyeshadow now. Now when I look at the Bounce Back single artwork, I see so much variation of pink, but then I see like splash of purple and like a tinge of blue, like tinge. So the perfect palette for that is any kind of rainbow palette. The one I'm going to use is the Stacey Marie Carnival palette from Be Perfect Cosmetics. So it looks like so. So we are going to work with this guy today. So on my Morphe JH33 brush, I'm going to go in with this first color here, which is like an orangey salmon pink color, and it's called Foolish. It's that one right there. And we're just going to go in, put this straight in our crease, and we're just putting our brush in circular motions all over the eye. And we're not rounding out the shadow, we're flicking it out. Once it's flicked out just like so, I take one more dab of that, tap off any excess, and I just kind of corner it. I don't know what that's called, but I just like close it off because it was literally just like, and now we're gonna close it off. My makeup usually is very drag inspired, so if you're gonna recreate this, you can do it as drag or as low-key as you want. So I just thought I would put that in there. And then what's ever left over on your brush, I just kind of bring it up to my brow bone so there's not such a harsh like brow primer shadow. Okay, now that you look kind of insane, you're gonna take a different brush. I'm gonna go in with, and this is a Morphe M518 brush, and I'm gonna go in with this bright pink here called Funky, and she is funky for sure. So this is kind of like our star of the show. This is like the color that's really gonna be seen. So again, just taking that, tapping off just once, and I'm just going to pat this on our outer V here, working our way in. Let me zoom in for you guys. So I'm just packing on the shadow and then I blend it through. So pack, blend. So you want this to make the other shadow a little bit more vibrant, and you don't really want to see this shadow anymore, but it's necessary to put on because you're building shadow. You don't want to just go straight in with the hot pink. One more layer, just gonna pack that on and blend it out. It's already looking very Bounce Back, but also it's looking like, okay, you've got pink on your eyes, you know? But don't worry, it gets better. You look crazy to start with, and then you look so fire, is probably the right words to say. I'm actually so excited for Bounce Back to come out. The amount of promotion that is actually happening, and the single's not even out yet, is what us mixers have been waiting for so long. So like, I love when kind of you get sick of how much promotion is happening, but that's exactly what you want. You want people to be talking about it and excited about it for the song to drop. So RCA are really coming through with that, which thank God. Right, now I'm going back in with that first brush we had with that color Foolish, and we're just going to soften the edges. We're using this kind of as a blender, I guess, and we're just blending that outer section. All right, we're looking real crazy. All right, so this is the M456 brush. It's way tinier than the M433, okay? And we're going to take that little one, and we're going to take the best color in this whole palette, which is called Wifey, right there. So it's a little bit deeper and darker than our funky color, but we need that to deepen up our eyes. So in we go with Wifey, and we are going to just blend this on our outer V here and blend inwards to create the dimension in the eye. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the P. Louise makeup base, or if you want, you can use a concealer, does the exact same thing. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that. This brush, this is an Echo brush, it's very random, but it's like this flat packer kind of brush. Don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to pop this on, and we're basically going to cut the crease right now. So what I do is I just put on the product really messily like that. I blink really hard, and it kind of creates your shape that you need. And then you just pack it around. And I'm actually going to bring it up just a little bit higher because we are going to pop a glitter on, and I want the glitter to be really, really seen. This is looking fire! Then go back in with our smaller brush, the M456, out of hair, and back in with that deep pink shade, the Wifey one, and then continue to make it deeper and darker. And we're going to pack this on ever so slightly, that product we just put, and then around the top, because it creates this kind of like ring you guys can see. Oh, so fierce. Okay, in this palette there is this highlighter here, which is a pinky tone called Saint, which we are going to put on as our eye base before we put the glitter on. 10B brush, looks like this. So any packer will do, and I'm just going to take this and place it over the base, because we don't want the base as our colour, because that's not pink and it's not very bounce back, is it? Before we put on our glitter, we have to incorporate the purple that is in the look and the little bit of the blue that's in the look. So, okay, so this is a Morphe 506 brush like this. And it's a really short, like, blendy brush. And we're gonna go in with this color called Wasted, which is the purple, and then the one underneath it, which is called Chant. So we're going to pop those on there. The purple shadow in this one has so much kickback on it, you need to tap it off, otherwise it's gonna go all the way down your face. So again, I'm just going to flip. Hello? Okay, before Jamie interrupted me, we were just putting on the purple shadow. Now it is getting blended in, creating this little purple moment, and then I go right back over it with the pink, because I want pink to be the star of the show. Is to throw in a little bit of blue. So we're just gonna throw in this one, Sky. And literally, it's not gonna even be seen, like it's not even a possible step. I just need to throw in a tinge of blue. Now I'm gonna go in with my LMX glitter primer. You can use anything, the Too Faced glitter glue, whatever you want, on like a packer brush. What I'll be using is a M124 from Morphe. So I'm just gonna take some of this glitter glue and pack it over that lid color we put on. And then the MAC glitter I use is pink. It's literally called pink. So that's this one. And I'm just gonna take the teeniest bit of that. I think if I could be any glitter, I think I would be this one. So then I just take this glitter and just pack it. I believe this is what my soul looks like. And I try not to put too much down in my lower lash line, because we are going to put a wing liner there. But, you know, you need a little bit of coverage. Okay, I'm also going to just clean this up a little bit. We are looking so good right now. Okay, so my next step is I'm just going to take my LMX liquid liner. This is the Ready to Fly, Made to Fly liner. Getting mixed up with a book here. And we're just going to create a wing. Now you can do a big wing, a small wing, a medium wing. I actually don't know what I'm going to do. It just kind of happens when I draw it on. So let's have a look. crease liner is so good, and I'm like running out so fast. Like, yeah, well that was pretty fierce. Okay, so now I'm going to throw on some Kohl black liner. This is just the LMX liner pencil, and I'm just going to tight line because this makes lashes look so much better when you've got them on. In the waterline, we're going to throw in white because white makes the eyes look doll-like, and that's very the vertical video, I believe, because that's what they told us on Twitter. Because they're very doing dolls, I think, for that, and I'm very excited for that. So I'm going to make the eyes look a little doll-like, so that's why I'm going to put white in my waterline. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. It's my favourite thing of all time for white. See how it kind of made my eyes open and I haven't even finished my lower lash line or anything yet? Yeah, it really does that. Okay, I've been using this one lately. I like it. It's not my favourite, but I like it. It's this Maybelline X Puma collaboration, I think. The only reason I like it is because it's like this smudge resistant formula, and I think it really does work. Now I'm just going to throw on some lashes. You guys know if I do a drag eye look, I'm going to wear a drag lash. So this is a DODO Lash D325 lash. It's very, very big, very thick, and very lengthy. These are my signature lashes, so that's why I'll be putting them on. I feel like when I wear a little lash, one eye's bigger than the other. I think I have that anyway, but anyway. So I've already pre-glued these. And then once you've got it on, you need to do this because you don't want your eyes to be drooping down. You want your eyes to be lifted and snatched out. Okay, so since we're already looking super fierce, I'm going to do my face makeup off camera, and then I'll be back with you guys to do maybe some highlighting and then to finish off the lower lash line. So here I'll be, bitch. Okay, we have face makeup on now. We look super cute. So all we have to do now is, of course, finish the lower lash line, put on some lip product, and of course, glow for the gods. So let's start out by finishing our eyes off. So back in with our Carnival palette, and all we're gonna do is take a pencil brush. This is a Morphe JH38 brush, and all I'm gonna do is just go into all the colors we used and run them underneath my eye. See how that eye now looks complete and together and snatched? Yes, God. So now I'm just going to throw on the lower mascara. Cute. Okay. Now to highlight, you can do many an option. I kind of put them all on because why the hell not? So first I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I believe this is discontinued, this palette. It's the Nicole Guerrero collab. But like she's been well loved. Like I love this palette so much. So I'm going to go in with this one, which is called Glow Getter, what's left of it. And then touch on a little bit of Forever Young on it as well. And then maybe I'll throw on a bit of Jeffree Star Peach Goddess Skin Frost. And then I'll pop Wet Dream over the top if I feel like it, which knowing me, I will. So I'm going to go in. So this is a Morphe M501 brush. So I'm going to go in with that Glow Getter shade. It's just a dry brush. And like that by itself is pretty, but you know me. We're glowing all day, every day. Then I'm just going to tap into Forever Young, which is like a pearly pink color. Pop that on. Now I'm going to go into Peach Goddess, which looks like this. And that brings it out a bit and makes it pink as well, so it kind of fits the theme. And then this one I'm going to bring upwards up here and on top of my arch of my eyebrow. And then I'm just going to put some on my chin, my Cupid bow, on a clean pencil brush. This is an M431. So I just highlight my nose here, and then I leave a gap and I just put a circle here, so it's an exclamation point. I'm also going to put a bit of this white Forever Lit color, just a teeny bit in the inner corner, because it gives this like kind of pink reflect to it. And then I'm gonna just quickly run it over my brow bone. Oh, stunning! Just quickly going in with my Supreme Frost in Wet Dream, just to amp it up a bit. But that's just me. You guys know I'll continue to pack more on if I feel like it, which I might. So for lips, I'm gonna do my signature lip. Of course you could, if you really wanna take it there, I mean, you could do a pink lip. This is like the bounce back color. Like, I just think because my eyes are so powerful and there's glitter and there's a big lash, I just want to tone it down, you know? If you want it to be fun. But I'm not going to be fun on my lips today. So I'm going to take my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in shade Malibu and overline my lips like I always do. And then I don't overline my bottom lip at all, I just follow the natural lip line of that. And I just rub them together. I then put on a little bit of Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin. I then put on I'm Nude. And then I lighten it with Drug Lord, which is white, but... And that's my signature color, if you're very curious. So I just got in 6 shades of the Jeffree Star The Gloss. I feel as if this one would be the most appropriate one to put on, or maybe that one. But in my original videos where I'm wearing this makeup, all I'm wearing is the Benefit Hoola gloss. I don't know which one to wear, so I've got Legends Only, which will fit nicely. It's more of a coloured gloss, if that makes sense. And then I've got this one, which is very glittery and fierce. It's called Diamond Juice. So I think I'll have to put on Diamond Juice. It's just speaking to me. So... the most comfortable gloss I've ever put on. Like, I hate gloss. I'm always satisfied with Jeffree's products. Like, oh my god, this is stunning. Holy shite. Oof, and it smells good too. Alright, I'm gonna fix my hair and then I'll come and talk to you about everything. And with that, guys, that is the completed bounce back single art inspired makeup look. I love this. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a giant thumbs up. Let me know down below what you would like me to do next. I want to do more makeup because that's like where I started with my channel before I even talked about Little Mix. So I really want to go back to creating looks for you guys. So hopefully I can get back into doing that because I haven't done that in such a long time. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on there. I love talking to you guys, and I'm always updating when I'm not uploading a video. And if you could recreate this look, please let me know. I would love to see them. Tweet them to me, tag me on your Instagram posts. I would love it. I'll double tap, I'll put you on my story. I would absolutely love to see them. So please do that, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Bang, bang.